Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to select a background music on the My Little Pony Story Creator application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 seconds. This is the home screen, and you can find the Create a Story, the second button, under the Friendship Stories option. In the lower side of the screen you can find different buttons, for example, your character, the background, the accessories. And click to the fifth button, the music, and you can find different options. Or just turn off the music and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.